This photo shows the bottom end of town. It was once known as the Tip because all the waste from the ironworks was dumped around there. The building on the right was known as Temperance Hall. It was built in 1861. This type of large building could be built in Tredegar due to the amount of money made by the ironmasters in the town who would be seen to be looking after the workers' best interest. Next to this building is the Masonic Hall and the post office. At the back of the photo, you can see a bricklayer building, the lodge inside the parking gates. In the middle of the photo, you can see a horse and cart which belongs to a steam laundry company which ran from behind Lynn Terrace. Today the Masonic Hall is still there, but the post office has moved down the road. The lodge building that was being built now stands empty. The most obvious change is that the large Temperance Hall has been demolished and has become a car park.